What's up, Swig Squad? T with the Diva here. I'm just coming to you. I'm only before you for a minute this time. I'm still too poop to participate from them kids being here earlier this week. Them kids wore me out. But then my babies, I love them. But anyway, I came to see if y'all heard about what's happening to Jennifer Williams from Basketball Wives, fiance. He currently has a warrant out for his arrest. And this has been shown, so I don't have to say allegedly because this information, they've shown everything. I got this from attorney Redwine, whose page is called Girl, Is That Legal? And she showed the whole signed warrant and everything. But the reason that he has a warrant out for his arrest is because he was on parole until 2025. You do realize when you're on parole, you can't just move about on your own. You have to get permission from the courts before you go anywhere besides where you were approved to go. And he was paroled to Georgia. I don't remember which county in Georgia, but he was paroled to Georgia. There was a hearing, an administration hearing held on August 16th. And it was to address him leaving without permission, leaving the country without permission. So his parole officer has pictures that Jennifer Williams posted on her page of her and her husband, first of all, in California. He's paroled in Georgia. Why are you in California? Then she's posted pictures of them July 2nd in Italy and July 6th in Switzerland. I mean, because it's all on the show, it's documented on the show. He has no permission to travel. And on July 22nd, the supervisor of his parole officer contacted him to ask if he had left the country or the state. He said no, I ain't left nothing, because he's not thinking about, or either he told Jennifer, take those pictures down from when we went out of town so they won't say nothing, but you don't. I mean, because it's all on the show, it's documented on the show. He has no permission to travel. Probably told her, delete them pictures from when we went out of town, not knowing that, dog, they already got them. They already got the pictures. It ain't even no deleting them right now. So then the probation officer called and said, just calling to see if you've left the state or left the country. We probably need to talk about it right now, blah, blah, blah. And he lied again, and he offered the information that he was currently in Albany somewhere for a wedding. And I guess he felt like since he was being transparent then, that they would believe that he was really telling the truth. The probation officer just attached the pictures and added note to the case notes and said, yeah, he has been traveling. So when he goes before the judge, they can possibly take his passport. They can tell him that he can't go. He gonna stay in custody because he's a flight risk. They can tell him they can put a tether on him and tell him he can't leave the house before 6 a.m. and gotta come in by 11 p.m. and only be out for work. Like, there's a lot of stipulations they can put on him that would cause him to not be able to be married. And I'm like, Jennifer, come on. Like, you about to mess yourself up. I know you already said you heard about him being on parole when y'all first got together. And now you want to have him violate his parole and possibly go to jail, go back to prison, because you want to take some pictures in Switzerland and Italy and wherever else y'all was going to learn some French. And if that's supposed to be your man and you guys are going to be together forever, There is no rush. It ain't no rush for you showing him, especially if he's in having legal troubles right now. It's no rush for you to have to show him on social media. It's no rush for you to have to post pictures of everywhere y'all go and everything that y'all do. It's no rush, especially when he done scammed like over 2 dozen people. I forgot what the actual number was, but it's definitely over 2 dozen people. And he scammed these people out of at least $2,500. And she talking about a bartender. Bartender tips can't get her a Kelly bag. No, bartender tips probably wouldn't be able to. And your man income can't get you a Kelly bag either. Because he got to allegedly steal money from people, allegedly, to get you the Kelly bags. Allegedly. You just don't want to cause any attention, any type of attraction to your page like that, especially when you're dealing with somebody on the other side of the law. Yeah, so I just came to bring y'all that tea right quick. I'll be back before y'all tomorrow, either another review or story time. This is Tea with the Diva, and I will holler at y'all later. Good night, Swig Squad.